Hi everyone, my name is Kate Oates and I'm a knitwear designer. What I love doing is helping knitters become more confident in customizing their projects to make them just right. I am so excited to present Zoom knitting sessions with me. I've always included a vast array of sizing in on my patterns, but there's nothing that can totally represent every single person, no matter what you do. In our sessions, you can choose what we talk about. It's all up to you. We will go anywhere from pattern support for my patterns to techniques that I've used in my patterns to using one of my patterns and customizing it and modifying it the way that you want to. The way that I've set up the signups is that my besties only get to sign up for a week, and these slots that I put out go through the end of the month. So you'll have an exclusive discount, which is already on sale for you. These Zoom sessions are in 3 different levels. We've got a 20-minute, a 45-minute, and a 1-hour session. And it's just based on how much help you need. Whether you want to just ask a simple technique question or a little thing in one of my patterns that's holding you up, 20-minute Zoom is for you. The 45-minute Zoom is probably where most people will find themselves, because this will allow you to go a little bit more in depth into any pattern questions you have, or if you have more than one pattern that you want to talk about, we can do that too. If you need to learn a whole new technique, we can do that. And if you feel like pretty comfortable with customizing a sweater fit, but you just have a question about maybe one section of the garment, that session is perfect for you. If you want the hour session, we can do whatever you want and I can help you learn how to really make your sweater fit you. It's really just an opportunity for you to decide, like, there's something that I want to conquer. There's a hurdle I want to jump over and I want to finally never worry about this thing again. When you look at the schedule, you'll see that you can either sign up for a set time slot or you can sign up for a flexible spot. Please just know if you sign up for a flexible spot that these are mostly going to be limited to daytime working hours, and I am on the East Coast. So if you are someone that's on the Pacific Coast and you're working all day, you're going to want to look for one of those magical flexible slots that happens to be on a weekend day. I'm doing my absolute best to try to vary the time slots and help it be available at different times for everyone, because I know we all have such different lives going on. The best thing you can do after you sign up for a slot is to just be in good communication with me. That way we can plan for your session and really maximize our time together. I've got the last couple of weeks of February scheduled out for these sessions. It's very experimental, so of course they're all on sale for you this go around. I'm not sure how many I'll be able to offer in the future. It probably won't be as frequently as the ones over the next couple weeks, but I just wanted to give it a shot and hopefully get as many of you in as are interested so that you can try it out and see how it works for you. I'm really excited at the opportunity to work one-on-one with knitters, and therefore we can address, like, really specifically what are the areas of concern. Why did this last sweater you made not fit you? How can we make this new one do better? There is nothing more satisfying for me than seeing a knitter finish a project, put it on, and look and feel amazing in it. That's when I know I've done my job. I love feeling like I get to know the people that are working with my designs. Thank you so much for being a bestie, and don't forget, our next Zoom meeting is at the end of this month, so go check it out. It'll be in your emails. See you soon.